Hey guys, just me.
Going a little interesting on the daily. As you guys can see, it's pretty obvious that we are going for we are trending up. The trend is, maybe.
Alright boys, you ready, Gordo?
Yep.
Joe, you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a side-by-side derby at the fair.
Yeah.
Go check this out, see how
I
it
feel
is.
like JJ's not gonna ride a side by side because last time he made me ride a side by side.
Well, it's there if he does. If he sees you riding one, he's definitely gonna want to. Think we got the side-by-sides loaded in the van? Should we bring the drone? We should bring the drone. Bro, we just got to the fair, bro.
If that dragon spins fast, I'm definitely going in it.
Yeah. This thing said 100%, now it says 22%. Look at these guys with their side-by-sides.
No!
You gonna go to the derby? Race time? Whoa, whoa. Race time, race time. Nah, this battery's on 3%. How is that possible? This thing is fried already. It smells like something's burning. I've been smelling it the last couple of days. We'll just leave it there and we'll get it later. So we don't have to bring it all the way back. You're on the bridge now? Now this guy's on the bridge. What the heck? Let's see what his side-by-side race is. You have to park that thing. Guy thinks he's gonna drive all through the park with his side-by-side. Gordo, you gonna drive the race car?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna win?
I'm a monster today.
You a monster today? That's what's up. You got Sis behind you? Sis is gonna pass you on that. Sis, you gonna smoke him? Yes, she's gonna smoke you. Whoa! JJ, you driving? Jaden! Drifting that thing, huh? Whoa, Gordo, you drifting. Sissy's drifting. Whoa! Look at that smile. Whoa! Oh, Sis? Where's JJ? Right there. Whoa, that thing drifts around those turns. Here's Gordo and JJ right there. JJ! Sis! Sissy's scared, oh no. Where's my phone? Sissy, did you like that, Sissy? You liked it? It didn't look like Sissy liked it. You weren't scared, Sis? Yeah.
She was not scared.
You're not scared?
Yes.
Were you scared?
I'm scared.
No.
Yeah.
JJ, you like that? JJ, that was fun? Look at this. JJ's gonna fly out, Joel. Whoa, look at JJ spinning in that thing. Hold on. JJ just holding on. Joel, easy. You okay? Jaden, you okay? You were spinning so fast, Jaden. You okay?
I am spinning on that fast.
Yeah, super fast. Come on, let's go on this one.
I tried spinning on as fast as...
Man, Mike, nice seeing you again.
You're gonna go on that.
Jaden,
I
Sissy, hi. Bro, what are you doing? Whoa, Jaden, hold on. Bro, you all the way up there, bro? Whoa. I can't see my pro. She's on the other side. I can't see her. Oh, JJ, you holding on? Whoa. Bro, you don't want to go on that ride with Joel and Anthony? You want to go on this ride with Sissy? Why? Are you really scared of all the big rides? Yo, this guy's scary, boy. Oh, cuidado? How do you say scary in Spanish? Gato? How do you say scary in Spanish?
You just said it.
Gato? No, that means cat, doesn't it? Yeah. Gordo's scared. I can't believe he's scared. This guy wants to pop wheelies and ride quads, but he doesn't even go on the rides.
You never let me drive a quad.
Because you're scared. Now I'm scared to let you ride it because you're scared of this stuff. If you want to go on this, you just put on the race cars again? How was that?
Drifting.
Huh?
Drifting.
You were drifting? Alright. Gordo, you want to go on that one over there? See that one that's spinning?
Which one, that one?
Yeah, the one that's spinning upside down right now. You want to go on that one?
Yeah.
No? Maybe next year when you're 6.
No.
Why not?
When I'm 30.
When you're 30? Why?
Because
Then you're going to be old and you're not going to do it.
you're going to be old.
You're not going to do it next year when you're 6?
Huh?
You want to do it next year? When you turn 6? Yeah?
I'm already 7.
Oh, you're 7 already? Oh, maybe when you're 8 then.
No.
No? 9.
18.
All right, roll the clip. It's him riding a motorcycle. He's gonna hop on that motorcycle. You going on a Harley, sissy? Harley Davidson?
It doesn't fit on me.
You going on a Harley too? JJ's in the Jeep? Look at Joel up there. See if we can zoom in on Joel. Joel right there. Try to zoom in on him. Joel's on the big ride and Anthony's over there. Sissy, hold on. Where going now? Hi, JJ. Hi, sis. Hi. How was he? You scared? You like that one? Joel was like making a serious face the whole time like he was scared. You like that one?
Yeah.
You weren't scared?
No.
No?
I want to do it again.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want to do it to you.
Okay. This guy got butterflies.
No, I don't have butterflies.
Oh, now I got butterflies. I got butterflies now.
God.
Oh. There it goes. Oh. It's like throwing me around, bro, in a circle. How can you not have butterflies? Oh, man.
You got
Are you ready? On a rocket ship? You wanted to go on this one. Oh! Oh, you guys are squeezing me! Oh, it's finally stopped, but I was so scared. Bro, it's done. That was scary. Wait, why is he going backwards? What? Bro! Oh, it's going backwards! Oh, no! Hold on, bro! Oh! Now we're going backwards! Go, I'm in the demon, I'm going! Go! Sissy's coming! Whoa! Sis! Bro, you got some competition out here, bro. Look at all this competition. Bro, you guys got a lot of competition.
Hey, what happened? I brought my dirt bike.
You can't ride dirt bikes, only side by side. Jaden, you gonna race?
He's gonna tuck a weenie.
Joe, I think you gotta go around the cones. Make sure you listen, okay? Jaden's gonna win. Jaden got the fastest one. That Jeep, you see the engine on that thing?
Daddy, I gotta go over there and then cross around the spin.
Yeah, I think you gotta go all the way around, okay? Yeah. Sis, you driving? You riding with Jaden? You racing? Now you're gonna do balloon derby? No, you can't drive it. Ready? I'm gonna bring it over here. Ready?
Hey, Joel. Oh, Papa Willie? That'd be sick. wheelie derby.
Yeah.
Go on the back, pops a wheelie on that thing. This thing.
Popping wheelies? Whoa, whoa. Look at all the balloons. See all the balloons? Now they're popping balloons. Knock the balloons off. Joel, you gotta pop somebody's balloon. Oh, I heard a balloon pop over there.
Trying to go. Balloons being popped.
You gotta pop some balloons.
There we go. Keep going, kiddo. Just try to pop the balloon. Come on, grab it. Here's some noise for
Look
you
at that
kids. You got
Super
the slide
Mario.
out there.
JJ, go run over the balloons. Oh, another one. Go, Sissy. Sissy. Joe, pop some balloons. Run over that one. You gotta run it over, bro. Go run it over. Oh, you got it. Dude, Jaden don't know what to do out there. Bro, go knock somebody's balloon off. Go, Jaden, go. Joel, over there. Go run that one over. Check. Joel, see if it's in gear. Check if it's in gear. Oh, damn.
There's a lot of balloons.
Go. Had a little technical difficulties. I think his tranny lost it for a second. See the cow, Shannon? You petting him? Yeah. Courtney, you pet the cow? Wow. Watch that cow don't poop on you. That's a milk cow. Where's Cisco? What's that? Is that a sheep? You hear that cow? Bro, is that a goat or a sheep? McChicken. See the name? McChicken. Look at these turkeys right here. Look at the chickens. See these chickens? Blackie. We should have brought Blackie. Look at the ducks. Those chickens are so cute. Yeah, that's a big one. You see it? Look how furry this guy is. Look at that guy. Looks like a
Look at this guy.
Brindle, right? Yeah, you like that chicken? See that? Where's Blackie? Let me take a picture of you next to the cow, sissy. Say cheese. 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 Say moo. Sissy, say moo. Moo. Look at my cowgirl. Look at that cowgirl.
Say hi, Dave. Say hi.
Alright guys, we're doing our night trading.
Yeah.
Slow markets with the quarter. We just made 40 bucks. We need to make like 4,000 every night.
I'm gonna put my weight on the quad.
The battery's dead on the quad. Tomorrow.
I'm gonna do this on my quad. Hey, yeah, I got this on my quad. You go with this thing? Go with that?
Come on. We'll go ahead. We can break it.
Good day, Dale. Hey guys. Good day, Dale. Hey guys. Just me. 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 Just me.
Maybe going higher and higher, so there's something to be said
Just me.
for making higher
Look
lows,
at this one
higher
up there.
highs, and this is a flag pattern.
Look at this. It's broken. This one is broken. This one is broken. No, don't break this one. Hi. Bye. Bye.
We broke above 2,500. We